What is sabor? Sabor means dojo. It's not called dojo lust. Along dojo present sabor. Sabor is the measurement of dojo. Sabor is indicated on depend dojo. When any work make then first to last have to good. What is in it? It's fully seeing, right and understand. To be feel heard. No lip work, anybody speak. No give ear, anybody speak. On understand work. Wait for dojo, no move back for success. Value the all work, all things, all matter. Wait for dojo, no leave back for success. To be respect very much to work. To take on my work, to be mess with work. Knock to knock, come in success to you. It's only possible dojo. Sobor name is with stay dojo. In any work, in any study, in any stage, in any job, in any position. With stay dojo, it's a great work. Too much is a common abstract greedy offer. Overcome very much need. Can't have to overcome lost dojo bottomless. It's many long far from sober. Success means sober. Sober means success.